Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: active account, registered mobile number, and your bank app installed. Sign in with your customer ID or user ID and enter the first OTP when prompted. This proves the device is yours. Once done, create or confirm a strong app PIN or biometric lock so future access is quick and secure. Make sure to read required permissions and accept only those necessary for banking. This protects your transactions while keeping the app functional. Next, you add and verify pays. Tap payments or beneficiaries, enter account number and IFSC, then choose IMPS, NEFT, or RTGS depending on urgency and amount. You must verify the beneficiary either with an OTP or a microdeposit confirmation. This prevents mistakes. Once verified, set sensible daily limits and preferred transfer method to control risk. If your bank supports UPI, link it now. Create a UPI ID, choose a secure PIN, and confirm with a small test transfer to finalize setup. You complete transfers by selecting the beneficiary, entering the amount and purpose, then confirming with your PIN or OTP. This double-checks intent and authorizes the payment. After submission, view the real-time status and save the confirmation or screenshot for records. Verify the debit in your account within 1 to 2 business days. If something goes wrong, first retry on a stable network and recheck beneficiary details. If unresolved, contact bank support immediately and provide the transaction reference to trace and reverse if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.